Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 23 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper and the question paper code is 30/1/3. The question goes like this. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Let's draw two concentric circles. O be the center of the circles. Let's assume AB is the chord for the larger circle and this AB touches the smaller circle at a point C. Let's draw a perpendicular from O to C. A perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. Therefore, AC becomes equal to BC. OC is the radius of the smaller circle which is 4 centimeter. Let's join O and B. Now OB becomes the radius of the larger circle which is 5 centimeter. So let's consider this triangle OCB. Applying the Pythagoras theorem, BC is equal to root of 5 square minus 4 square which is root 25 minus 16 root 9 which is 3 centimeter. That is, this portion is 3 centimeter. The full length of the chord is AB, which is written as a sum of AC and BC. AC is also equal to BC. So let's replace that with BC. So AB becomes 2 times BC, which is twice 3 centimeter, that is 6 centimeter. That is, the length of the chord of the larger circle is 6 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.